na hindi naman paglasa. Pero upat inyong place sa sagot ko. Maura na. Wala ilaing answer. Maura na.
Annyeonghaseyo. So today I let the student help customize our ID. So instead of a clip, we're just gonna have the IDs sling. There you go. So it is already back to back. There, back to back already. So this is the finished product. Oh, finished product. Finished product. So this is the ID of Althea. There. So I also wrote sa Akdos, Mactan, Korea. There. So Althea, then it's already back to back. There you go. So students help me in making it possible to replace it. Instead of pin, instead of pin, we are going to use lanyard. There you go. So it's very nice and customized. Mactan, Korea. Back to back. There you go. So students, thank you for your help today. 감사합니다.